Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Movement channel. In this lecture, we will study about specific gravity. We will study what is specific gravity, what is practical importance of specific gravity, and what is physical significance of specific gravity. Actually, if you are working as a chemical engineer or mechanical engineer or electronics engineer, in some way or another way, you have to encounter some data of specific gravity and make some decisions according to them. So you have to be well acquainted with the knowledge of a specific gravity. So for this, be connected to Engineering at Movement channel. Friends, specific gravity is the ratio of weight density of given fluid to weight density of water, or it is a ratio of weight density of given gas to weight density of air. As it is a ratio and ratios don't have any units, so specific gravity don't have any units. It is also called relative density, and it is basically a comparison of density of fluid to that of density of water, or it is a comparison of density of gas to that of density of air. For example, if the specific gravity of a fluid is 2, it is 2 times heavier than water. It is 10, it is 10 times heavier than water. And if specific gravity of any fluid is 19, it is 19 times heavier than water. So this is the formula for specific gravity: density of fluid upon density of water, or density of gas upon density of air. Physical significance of specific gravity: it tells us how much part of the object is submerged in water. If we know specific gravity of any object, we can tell how much part of that object will be submerged in water if it will be placed on water. Let's take an example of gold. Gold has a specific gravity of 19100 kg per meter cube. Gold has density of 19100 kg per meter cube, and density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Dividing density of gold upon density of water, we'll get 19.1. That is, specific gravity of gold is 19.1. And by multiplying 19.1 into 100, we'll get 1910%. This is basically 1910% of gold will be beneath water, that is, it will be submerged in water. And this means full gold will be sink in water. So if we place a gold on water, it will sink in water. And specific gravity of ice is 0.917. Multiplying it with 100, 91.7%. That is, 91.7% of ice will be submerged in water when ice will be placed on the water. Specific gravity of wood is 0.2. Multiplying it with 100, we'll get 20%. So when wood will be placed on water, 20% of the wood will be submerged in water. I hope, friends, you all have enjoyed this lecture and you have got an important knowledge of specific gravity. At Engineering at Movement channel, we will bring more lectures like this. So do subscribe our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you.